Welcome to the Crypto Boss Angel channel. I like what I see on Algo on the weekly time frame. Now I'm just learning my divergences and all that stuff, but the weekly time frame on Algo looks good for a move to the upside, and that is more than likely your bottom. Anytime you see bullish divergence on such a high time frame, such as the weekly or larger time frames, that is usually your bottom indicator. Your previous bottom in the summer of June 5th, your low was 8967. Then you made a lower low in price action to 8149, which was on the 14th of August, about 2 months ago. But that's a lower high. But then on your stock RSI, you made a higher low. So anytime the price makes a lower low, but the stock RSI makes a higher low, that's bullish divergence. I would look for that to be a bottom. I'd be very surprised if it broke 8217 ever again. And we'll see what happens, though. At least I'd be surprised if it happened anytime this year or next year. I do think that's your bottom for the bear market. So, and if Algo makes a new all-time high in this next bull run, I would say that's your bottom forever at 8217. So that's what I'm looking at. Algo looks really good to me on the weekly time frame, at least for right now. So I actually talked about this already in another video, but I said I was going to take a 5 to 10x long on this sometime when this weekly chart makes a higher low, and that might take a few weeks or a month or two to play out at least. But when that happens, I think I have an alert down here on Algo, and when this weekly chart makes a higher low in the stock RSI, if that happens, then I will be getting into a long position on Algo for like maybe a year or two long trade. That's seriously, that's what I'm looking at. Because to the all-time high on Algo, it's about a 20x, and if you're doing 5x leverage, that's a 100x move. So if you put, $100 in, then you're sitting on like $10,000. So not financial advice, but I believe that's the bottom for Algo. It looks very good to me. But again, I don't think it would make any sense to enter the trade if the weekly chart does need to correct. As long as, though, you make a higher low above 8217 on the weekly chart, you're looking good. The 3-day chart is already starting to curve down. So really, 3-day chart is still below as well the 21-day moving average, which is that black line there. The daily chart is actually, daily charts are, see, this is why I think that's the bottom. Daily charts are also making a higher low on Algo. So it's the daily chart and smaller time frames look good, but now you want to say the 3-day make a higher low and you want to say the weekly make a higher low. I believe that will happen. So right now, it's what I'm looking at on Algo. Probably within 2 months or less, the weekly chart will have made a higher low, and then you can enter a trade. Now, Bitcoin makes a lower low, then obviously Algo will too. As well, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm looking for Algo longer term for that to be a bottom. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next update.